Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. Myself Bipin Kumar. So today we are going to discuss about Linux command for DevOps. Okay, so I have created a cheat sheet for DevOps Linux. Okay, so as a DevOps engineer, what Linux command we should know and what are the most useful command as a DevOps engineer. So for Linux, we are going to see and discuss in the real time. Okay. So let me go and show you in the terminal. Let's open the terminal here. Okay. So go to the okay. Here we can see like we are going to create one new directory. Okay, mkdir and linux basics. Okay, so let me run this command. Linux, sorry. So now let me do ls. Here we can see linux basic directory got created. So let's go to this directory cd. Okay, so list ls command to do list what are the under any directory you can see using ls. I will show you in the in upcoming topic. Okay, I will show you, so don't worry about that. So I am typing here cd means change directory. Okay, then linux. So we don't have to type everything like linux basic. Just you can type one or two word, three word, and you can type tab. Okay, you just need to type tab, then it will auto complete. Okay, if the file or directory exists in that directory. Okay, only it will auto complete, and otherwise it will not. So let's hit enter. So we are under linux basic. Do ls. So we are able to see nothing because I have not any file or directory created inside this directory. Okay, so let's go back to the document. So we can see linux basic there. Okay, so we are going to create multiple directory at once. Okay, so let's go to the terminal. mkdir prod qa and dev. Just hit enter. Do ls. Do ls. Here we can see all directory got created in a with using single command. Okay, dev, prod and qa. So you can see these are the blue, and these are blue because it's a directory file. If it's file, then it will show as a white. Its color will be white only, and because it's a directory, that's why it's showing color as a blue. So let's go back to the document here. Okay, so we can do it. Create multiple directories at once, we have already seen, and create range of directory within sequential number from 1 to 10. Okay, so we can use this command to create like sequence of directory. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, mkdir mkdir, and I am going to give name test. Okay, and 1 to 10, and I'm closing it. So yeah, that's it. So now let hit enter and do ls. So we can see here we have this directory. Okay, go to the cd and test. Change, I am going inside test directory. So I am using command cd change directory to test. Do ls. There is nothing. So I have like chosen something wrong, and I did something wrong here. So what is it? So let's go back to the document here. What is this? Create a range of directories. Okay. Oh, it's double dot. So let me, okay, let me delete one dot here. Just hit enter. Do ls. Here we can see 1 10, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9, then we have 1 here, right? So all directory got created with the sequence of number at with using single command. Okay, so let's go back, and sudo stand for super user do. Okay, so we can change our, like, we can now it's showing dollar. It means we are using logged in as a normal user, and when we want to log in as a super user, then we have to run command sudo su. Okay, switch user. So it's asking for password. So let me enter the password. Okay, so now you can see here is hash sign. So it's mean like we are logged in as a root user or super user, you can say. Now let's go back to the document. So sudo apt get update. So this command is used for update the repository of any like server or EC2 instance or anything on Linux. You can log in and you can run this command. So let me update it. Sudo apt hyphen get update. So our repository is getting updated, as you can see. Okay, so it's reading package, it's done. So now let's go back to the document here. So here we have one command sudo hyphen u username touch file dot txt. So it's going to create one blank file. Touch command is used to create a blank file. Okay, with so file.txt, create a new file.txt with the ownership of username. So this command is used to create a file with ownership of username. So let me do it. So sudo hyphen u and the username touch dot. You can change your username if you want. So you can give it Bipin or something like that. You can give any username, end user username or something like that. So it's saying sudo unable to initialize policy plugin. So let me change the username here. Let me do it test. Okay, unknown user test unable to initialize policy plugin. So it's not able to create because I have company's laptop, so I cannot do using this. So let's go back to the document here. But yeah, this that's it. It will create new file with the ownership, okay, with the username. So sudo s start new cell with root privilege. Okay, so let's run it. So sudo hyphen s. So let's click enter, hit enter. Then you can see here it started new cell with root privilege. Okay, sudo hyphen s, right? So we have another command like history. So history display all the command which we have executed on a terminal. So let me run history here, and what output we are getting. Sorry, my bad, I have. So we can see whatever command we have run in the past. Okay, so you can see like history, we can see aws configured that command, whatever command I have run in past. So we can see all the command list. Okay, so let's go back to the document here. So that's it. These are the command I have run in the previous. So we have ls command. So list the content of current working directory. It will list the it will list the content of current working directory to ls. So we can see what are the content inside this directory available. Here we can see all the directories. If there is any file, like let me create one file, touch bp.txt. So let's see, do now ls. So here we can see these all are directory and this is a file. Okay, so and ls command is used to what, like see the list the content of any directory or any file. So exactly not file, because it's only can list the content of any directory. So we have another command ls hyphen l. So list the content in long format with the permission, ownership and the last modified date. Okay, for each directory. So ls hyphen l, so let's see. So we can see the permission of directory as well as the when it's got created, what are the time and what are the permission of that directory that user we have logged in, that user have. Okay, so now let's go back to the document here, and we have another command ls hyphen a. List all file in the directory including hidden file that start with dot character. Okay, so we have not created any hidden file. So let me create one hidden file as first. So I have created one hidden file. So whenever you need to create one hidden file, then you have to use dot before that file name. Okay, so after creating the hidden file I do ls, and we are not able to see the hidden file, right? As you can see, we are not able to see any file name with Saryu. I have created. So in that, what we have to use, what command we have to use to see the hidden file as well. So we have command like ls hyphen a. So let me run it, ls hyphen a, and now we can see .survey file here, right? So yeah, now we can see that file that is hidden, and I have just created using touch command. And as I have mentioned, so whenever we need to create any hidden file or any hidden directory or any file, so then we have to use dot before that directory or uh, be, or file. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will continue other command that for DevOps engineer in next video. I will continue in these things in new next video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, then please put them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any concern, then please do let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.